Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Exercise 1A, question number 5 is the diagram shows a right angle triangle with the sides 2x centimeter and 2x plus 1 centimeter and 29 centimeter. Then the first part we have to prove it 2x square plus x minus 210 equal to 0. And the part B, find the length of the sides of the triangle. So, so now the right angle triangle we can solve by using a Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is the hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the square of the base and adjacent. So the hypotenuse is the longer side of the triangle, and here we will write it the h square means hypotenuse square, which is equals to the adjacent square plus opposite square. Now this is the adjacent side and this is the opposite of the triangle. This is hypotenuse. As we know that the hypotenuse is given, which is 29. So in the theorem we will substitute the values 29 square, which is equals to adjacent means the 2x plus 1 whole square plus opposite is 2x and square. Now the square of the 29 is 841, which is equals to, here we will open the square and use the algebraic formula, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now the a value is there 2x and the b is 1. So we will write here the 2x square plus 1 square plus 2, a is 2x and b is 1, and then plus 2, the square of the 2 would be the 4, and x square will remain same. So now 841 we will bring down same, which is equals to the 2x square, it would be the 4x square plus 1 and plus 2 times 2 is 4x plus 4x square. After that we will add the like terms. So now 841, then 1 is the constant there, so we will shift on the other side, it becomes minus 1. So here the 4x square plus 4x square would be 8x square plus 4x. After that we will rearrange the terms. 841 minus 1 becomes 840. So we will write this the right side first to make a proper equation. 8x square plus 4x, which is equals to 840. Now we will shift this constant value also on the other side, so it becomes 8x square plus 4x minus 840 equals to 0. Now the 4 is common between them, means we have to divide the whole equation with the 4. 4 and 4 and also 4. So here it becomes the 2x square plus 4 and 4 will cancel out, only x is left. Now it would be 8 divided by 4 is 2, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 0 divided by 4. 840 divided by 4 is equals to 210 equal 0. 0 by 4 would be 0. Now the part A we have proved, we just show that the 2x square plus x minus 210 equals to 0. Proved it. So the part B is find the length of the side of triangle. So we got the equation 2x squared plus x minus 210 equals to 0. Then here, to find the sides of the triangle, we will use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is axis equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now, what is the b and what is a, what is c? The coefficient of x square is a. The coefficient of x is b. There is no coefficient, it means it would be 1. And the constant value represent the c, because this is the quadratic equation, and the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So let's substitute the values in the formula. X is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 1 square minus 4. A is 2 and C is minus 210 divided by 2 times 2. Now here x is equals to minus 1 plus minus root 1 minus minus makes plus, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 210 divided by 4. So now x is equals to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 8 times 210, it would be 1680 divided by 4. Then it would be equals to minus 1 plus minus root 1681. 1 plus 1681 divided by 4, and the root of this number 1681 is equals to 41 divided by 4. Now we will write down separately with minus and the plus sign, so it would be minus 1 plus 41 divided by 4, and second time minus 1 minus 41 divided by 4. And here the axis equals to 40 divided by 4, and the second one minus 42 divided by 4. So axis equals to 10. Now the second solution, minus 42 by 4, this is not valid because the length must be positive. So only the valid solution, which is x equals to 10. So the side 1, which is opposite, is 2x. Now we will substitute the value to get the exact length. 2 times 10, which is equals to 20 centimeter. This side 2, which is adjacent, so it's 2x plus 1. Now we will substitute the value 2 into 10 plus 1. It would be equals to 21 centimeter. And then the third side, which is the hypotenuse, already given as 29 centimeter. As we got the final solution 20 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 29 centimeter, the side lengths of the given right angle triangle.